back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing effective opening lines to reply to professional emails. Whether you're responding to a client, colleague, or supervisor, starting your email on the right note can make a lasting impression. So, let's dive in. Here are a few opening lines you can use. It's great to hear from you. Thank you for reaching out. Thanks for the update. Thank you for the help. Thanks so much for your feedback. Thank you for the quick turnaround. Thanks for the quick response. Thank you for getting back to me so quickly. Thank you for your prompt response. I appreciate your quick reply. I'm grateful for your timely response. Many thanks for taking the time to reply. I wanted to express my gratitude for your prompt reply. Thank you for addressing my concerns in your response. I'm writing to extend my appreciation for your quick response. And there you have it. By using these opening lines and incorporating a professional tone throughout your email, you can effectively engage with your recipients and foster strong working relationships. Remember, the opening and closing lines set the tone for your entire email, so make sure to tailor them to your specific context and purpose. That's all for today's video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips on professional communication. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.